Just a quick reminder to everyone, we will be having a raffle right after the meet and greet session that we are having on stage. And of course, the grand winner and the raffle winners will be picked by Mr. Matteo Bonicelli himself. So please do stick around with that. And the grand prize for the raffle is a 1-year supply of Real Science Diet products. So you'll be able to keep your pets healthy and in tip-top shape for a year. Once again, welcome to everyone here at the Bottom Plaza High Seat for Wagon Tail 2015. Get your puppies and
yes. Okay, now we have just a few more to go, and then of course we're gonna call on the winners. Presents, and of course we are so delighted to have you here. Now, are you ready? First off, we're going to give off of course we have here Real Science Diet products. So we're gonna have to pick the winner. So
how many do we pick?
You're gonna have to pick from here. Okay.
How many?
Well, 10. Your work harder for you. Okay, the name is Hernando Serafica.
Hernando Serafica.
Hernando Serafica.
What a gentleman. Are you here, Hernando Serafica?
Hernando Serafica.
Okay, next one is. Let's see.
One is
Hazel
Hazel.
His name's Alfano. He sleeps with me in my bed.
See? You know what? Pit bulls are not scary at all. If you would like to adopt one, please, find it in your hearts to go to Cara Welfare Philippines and adopt a pit bull that was rescued from a dog fighting ring. That was very, very... They're now rehabilitated. See how sweet they are!
That's so cool.
That's so cool, isn't it?